After the agreement is signed and the purchase order is issued, we get into account maintenance mode. Beyond yourself and the sales team, what other resources are required for successful implementation before the implementation begins and the revenue is booked? And we also have to focus on the CX, or customer experience piece, so that this potential client can act as a referral account. So if you take into account all of these sales pipeline checklist criterion, review them and watch this video again, I think you'll increase your chances of having a more organized and robust sales pipeline or funnel. Thank you for your time. Please again take a look at our website, www.salescoach.us, or call me at 847-359-6969, and I hope to hear from you and help you to be a more productive, successful, and happy sales professional. Carpe diem.